Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your username in Delta Force application. To change your username on Delta Force, open the Delta Force app on your device and from the main menu page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now this will open up your profile. At the bottom right corner, tap on the little pencil button right next to your name and change your name by typing it down in the text box. In order to change your name, you will need to use a rename card. If you are changing the name for the first time, the rename card will be free of cost. Simply type in the new name in the text box and then click on OK. After you do that, confirm the change by tapping OK and your name will be successfully changed. Now, if you ever want to change your name again, you will need to wait for some time and the time that you will need to wait will be displayed on this page over here. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Delta Force tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.